Hey YouTube chickies, it's Beth Allen here of Hip Chicks, and I want to explain my very long absence from YouTube. And my absence has been from the fact that I've been thrown into an incredibly complicated, emotionally challenging DIY project, and that has been flipping my parents' house to sell. In April of this year, my mother passed away. And as some people know, my mom and I had a 27-year estrangement. Not my choice, not something I ever wanted, but I had to accept that for many, many reasons, she chose not to have me in her life. So in 27 years, I've been in this house 3 times. But since April, I've been here probably 4 or 5 days a week. So we undertook the arduous task of clearing out 60 years of marriage and memories and belongings, as well as flipping a house that really needed a lot of love. My mother's mental and physical health had deteriorated a lot over the last few years, and so had the house. So my brother, sister, and I, and my sister-in-law rolled up our sleeves, and we have spent almost every weekend since early May here in the house, doing renovations, clean out, and giving it a facelift. So I'm going to be launching a little video series called Flip Mama's House. And I'm going to share with you the things that we did around the house to save money and also make this just a great little flip that the house will be attractive to almost any home buyer. So stay tuned for those little video clips called Flip Mama's House. And right now I've got to get back to my touch-up painting so I can finish my childhood reading nook. This is one of my favorite spaces as a little girl, and I can't wait to share the rest of the house with you.